Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Few cars embody timeless elegance quite like the Mercedes-Benz 280SL, often known as the Pagoda. Today, we're diving into the 1969 model, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance that made it one of the most desirable cars of its era. Exterior. The 280SL carries the nickname Pagoda thanks to its distinctive concave removable hardtop, designed by Paul Bracq and Bella Bahraini. The shape wasn't just for looks, it added rigidity and improved safety in case of a rollover. At the front, the wide chrome grille and iconic Mercedes three-pointed star instantly command attention. The long hood and short rear deck create balanced proportions, while clean body lines and subtle chrome accents give the car a refined, sophisticated look. In 1969, buyers had the option of both a soft top for open-air driving and the signature hardtop for a more coupe-like feel. Every angle radiates understated class. Interior. Step inside, and the 280SL greets you with classic German craftsmanship. The cabin combines luxury with simplicity, leather upholstery, rich wood accents, and chrome detailing throughout. The large, thin-rimmed steering wheel frames a beautifully clear instrument cluster, with gauges for speed, RPM, fuel, and oil pressure. The dash layout is practical yet elegant, reminding us of a time when driving was both an art and a pleasure. Despite being a two-seater, the interior feels airy, thanks to large windows and slim roof pillars. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement of style. Performance. Under the hood, the 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280SL features a 2.8-liter inline-six engine with Bosch fuel injection, producing around 170 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. Paired with either a 4-speed manual, a 4-speed automatic, or even a rare 5-speed ZF manual, the 280SL offered flexibility for different driving preferences. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour took about 9 seconds, respectable for the era, and the car could reach a top speed of around 124 miles per hour. What really made the 280SL special, though, was its balance. With independent suspension all around, power-assisted disc brakes, and precise steering, the Pagoda delivered smooth handling and a comfortable ride. It was equally at home cruising along a coastal highway as it was navigating city streets. The 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280SL wasn't about raw speed, it was about elegance, innovation, and the joy of driving. Today, it stands as one of the most collectible classic Mercedes models, admired for its timeless design and engineering excellence. Whether you call it the Pagoda or simply the 280SL, one thing is certain, this car will always be a symbol of sophistication on wheels. If you enjoyed this look at the legendary Mercedes-Benz 280SL, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you choose the Pagoda foe?